Nongïalam ke TMC Winnerson di Sangma ha kesengi thoding ula lej ban Pynïasoh bat keseng BJP. Ha kane gejinglit Pynïasoh ute Nongïalam ula pentip bakin sadon kambon syuk kiwepat kinong krishan jengki kin ban Pynïasoh sya keseng bat kane kan salong shen. Na kaliang Winnerson di Sangma ula ong ba kejing temu jong ban Pynïasoh sya ke BJP kalong ban sekri kipat ba batang da ke ba Pynïasoh sya keseng BJP kaban ai kerensan ban sekri kipat ba. Henry ne kaliang jong kwa ban krenai halo kejingwan Pynïasoh jong Dr. Mukul Sangma.
My intention of joining this BJP is with an eagerness to serve with commitment and dedicate myself to render service to the people in the with our platform. I've been in politics since 2013. In the active politics, I represented 55 Samanpara constituency for 10 years from 2013 to 23. But I could not make it in 2023 in the last assembly election to the assembly. But still, I'm active and in circulation in the active politics. I wanted to serve the people with my commitment and dedication. When I look at the prevailing environment situation in the state as well as in the nation, I understood that BJP's platform is a very strong platform in the state and in the national level, which is why to strengthen the party in the state level, I have decided to join, and today I'm very grateful to the state president and other members of the family of the party for welcoming me in this short function. I always will carry forward my commitment and dedication to render service to the people of my constituency and the people of the state so that I can also contribute for the growth of the nation through this party. Thank you.
What is wrong with the TMC? You left TMC. What is wrong with it?
I'm very grateful to the leaders for in the TMC, especially to the national president Mamata Ji and Abhishek Ji, and in the state who have been my mentors and leaders, especially to Dr. Sangma, who led the state for many years as a leader of the state. I'm grateful to them. I decided to leave the party, but I'm not leaving Dr. Mukul Sangma and others. They have been very kind to me, accommodated me in various levels. So I'm still grateful to them. But as of today, in the prevailing political environment in the state, I find that BJP is growing and people have started to accept it. I have joined today as a member of the BJP, and many more are going to come along with me in next few days. Thank you.
As you've said that many are going to come along with you after this, are you hinting that Dr. Mukul is also going to join the party?
Sorry, I cannot put.
Are you hinting that Dr. Mukul Sangma will be following suit, like following you along?
How many more from the AITC will be joining the BJP to put it?
That you will see the growth of numbers in coming few days.
No, particularly Mukul Sangma, the question.
That's his decision. I cannot express to you. That is up to him.
You are the right-hand man, so you may be knowing.
It is his decision, which will carry him forward to render service to the people.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center.